Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mary again. I'm in a different setting from what you normally see me in, but I'm the same person. I am in line to pick my youngest son up from school. Have you ever thought about recipes? I think about them a lot. I really like to cook. I always have. But a recipe is just a guideline. It's something to make you think. That's what I tell my mom. Just think. Where we have been doing the low carb eating for several months, I've learned to make a lot of different adjustments. For instance, today, a recipe group I'm in, a lady posted a very interesting recipe. She said, "I can't make this because I'm eating keto now." I responded, "Why not? Make a few substitutions and I'm sure it will be great." It had potatoes. I suggested cauliflower. Hey, that works. That's what I do. And it had flour to thicken the soup. I said, "Why not use xanthan gum? That works." But it's only a guideline. It just makes you think. If you don't like ground beef, use ground pork, ground chicken, ground turkey, ground venison, whatever you have. If you don't like that, leave it out. Add extra veggies. Just think and change it around and make it yours. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video.